In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete chat in Cursor AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your past conversations and how to remove the ones you no longer need without clicking around blindly or worrying about losing the wrong thread. First, make sure Cursor AI is installed on your computer. If you already use Cursor as your editor, you're set. Having the app installed ensures the interface and shortcuts we'll use are available. If you haven't opened it in a while, it's a good idea to let it update so the menus look as expected. Now, open the Cursor application on your computer. Give it a moment to load your recent projects. Cursor includes an integrated AI assistant, and that's where your previous chats live. We'll open that view next. Open the AI chat by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus L on your keyboard. This is the quickest way to bring up the chat panel. If you're on a Mac, use Command plus Shift plus L. When the panel appears, you should see the new chat tab along with your recent conversation context on the side. Next, click the icon beside the new chat tab. This icon opens the full list of your chats. Think of it as your conversation history drawer. Clicking it will expand a panel that shows every chat you've created in Cursor, typically organized by most recent. Take a second to scan the titles or timestamps so you're sure you're targeting the right conversation. When you've found the chat you want to remove, right-click on it. If you're using a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same, and on Mac you can also hold Control and click. Right-clicking brings up a small context menu for that specific conversation, keeping you from affecting the others. Finally, click Delete in the menu. Cursor will remove that chat from your history. Deleting a chat clears the conversation record from the list, so make sure you've saved any important code snippets or notes elsewhere beforehand. If you rely on a particular exchange for reference, consider copying the key parts into a separate file before you take this step. That's all it takes. To recap the flow, ensure Cursor is installed, open the app, bring up AI Chat with the keyboard shortcut, open the chat list using the icon next to New Chat, right-click the conversation you don't need, and choose Delete. With this simple process, you can keep your chat history clean and focused, making it easier to find the conversations that matter most. Thanks for watching, and keep your workspace tidy with a quick cleanup whenever your list starts to feel cluttered.